Are you a physiotherapist looking for the best visa options to migrate to Australia? Well, hello everyone. I am Priyanka from Academically, and we have an interesting topic for physiotherapists with their eyes set on Australia as their career destination, which is the best visa option for physiotherapists. But before I take you along with the different possibilities, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the little bell icon. Alright then, let's get started. So there are three visa options with sponsorship. Number one we have is 482 visa. So the 482 visa is a temporary skill shortage visa. So when there is no suitable Australian candidate for a particular role, this visa allows employers to sponsor a skilled worker from a foreign country for that particular role. So with the 482 visa, skilled workers can stay in Australia for 2 to 4 years, depending on whether the visa is short term or medium term. So are you eligible for 482 visa? Let's check. So the basic eligibility requirements are: number one, you must be nominated for a skilled position by an approved sponsor. Number two, you must have the right skills to do the job. Number third is you must meet the relevant English language requirements. And number fourth, you must have 2 years of work experience. Okay, now moving on to number two, which is 494 visa. So the 494 visa is a skilled employer sponsored regional provisional visa. Sometimes what happens is that in regional areas, there will be labor shortages and suitable Australian workers may not be there. So in such cases, regional employers can sponsor skilled workers from outside Australia, and they can work in the designated regional areas for up to 5 years. And once you are granted this visa, you can leave work and study in the designated regional areas of Australia. And what's the best part? After 3 years from the time your visa is granted, you can apply for permanent residence. Isn't that great? Now, what are the eligibility requirements? So, you must be nominated by an approved work sponsor. That's number one. Number two, you must have an occupation on a relevant skilled occupations list. Number third is you must have a suitable skills assessment for the occupation. Number fourth, you must be under 45 years of age. Number fifth, you must meet minimum standards of English language proficiency. Number sixth, you must have 2 years of prior work experience. Let's now talk about number third, which is 491 visa. The 491 visa is a skilled work regional provisional visa. This visa is for skilled people nominated by a state or territory government to live and work in regional Australia. Like the 494 visa, this visa also allows you to stay in Australia for 5 years. You can travel to and from Australia as many times as you want while the visa is valid. This visa is also a pathway to permanent residency in Australia. Let's take a look at the basic eligibility requirements for this particular visa now. So number one is you must be nominated by a state or territory government agency, or an eligible relative must sponsor you. Number two, you must have an occupation on a relevant skilled occupations list. Number third, you must have a suitable skills assessment for the occupation. Number fourth, you must be invited to apply for this particular occupations list. Then comes is you must satisfy the points test, and to become a registered physiotherapist in Australia, you need to pursue education in Australia as well. So even if you have graduated from your home country with a physiotherapy degree, you can seek registration in Australia by clearing the APC exam conducted by the Australian Physiotherapy Council. You can take this exam from your home country and explore plenty of career opportunities in Australia. And if you wish to get started with your APC journey, Academically is here to assist you throughout your journey. From the document verification processes to a smooth migration, Academically will make sure that your experience feels like a breeze. By filling out the form given in the description, you can get a free one-on-one counseling session with our career experts. And if you have any further questions about becoming a registered physiotherapist in Australia, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. With this, thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more such videos. I'll see you in the next. Till then, take care. Bye bye.